Why Merida is Mexico's safest city for real estate investment? Stay tuned to find out why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insider tips on Mexico's real estate market. Merida is consistently ranked as Mexico's safest city with low crime rates and a welcoming community. This makes it a haven for families, retirees, and investors looking for peace of mind. But it's not just about safety. Merida's real estate market is thriving, with a mix of restored colonial homes, luxury villas, and modern developments. These properties are in high demand, offering great opportunities for appreciation. The city's rich cultural heritage and vibrant lifestyle make it even more attractive. From festivals to world-class dining, Merida offers a quality of life that keeps buyers and renters coming back. Merida combines safety, culture, and a strong real estate market, making it one of the smartest places to invest in Mexico. Whether you're looking for a vacation home, rental property, or your forever home, Merida is the place to be. Ready to explore Merida's real estate opportunities? Contact us today to find your perfect property. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into Mexico's best investment destinations.